Hi, this is Ophelia and this is project 2 for CS50W. For this project we had to create an auction site using Django, Python and HTML. For the first part of this project specification, I created 3 models which we can view here as I'm the super user, bids, comments and listings. The second part of the specification, we had to create a page called Create Listing where I can create a new listing for a product that I want people to bid on. So say that I want people to bid on a cupboard. Get the image address of this cupboard, type in image URL, storage cupboard, and let's say I want bidding to start now and end tomorrow at the same time. Success, I've created that cupboard as an active listing, which I can see here. For the next part of the specification, I basically had to create this active listings page here. So these are all the listings that a user can currently bid on. So for the next part of the specification, let's say that a user wants to place a bid on one of these items. So I'll log in as Jack. And please note that this bidding site uses eBay's automatic bidding system, where a bid is automatically placed on the maximum bidder if someone else places a bid that is lower. So let's say Jack wants to bid on this cupboard. Starting price is $10, but say he puts only $9 in, we get an error saying match the starting bid, which is $10. So let's say that Jack's going to bid $100 on this cupboard, and yes, the bid has been successful. Now let's compete a bit and place some bids as John. John logs in, goes to that cupboard, adds it to his watch list. Basically, he goes on the listing page, places the minimum bid. That's too low because Jack has already bid much higher than that, $100. Try the minimum bid again. Unfortunately, that was also too low, so John is going to take a risk and bids $165. And yes, that outbid Jack, so John has been successful. Now let's log in as Jack again. Now Jack adds that to his watch list, so he's following this item as he's bidding on it. So he decides to bid the minimum, which is $110. Unfortunately, that's too low, and the bid has gone to John. So that was made, actually, that item was placed there by me, so I'm going to log in again. I'm going to decide that I want to close that bid. It's no longer active. John is going to log in again, see how his bidding's going along. He goes to his watch list. The cupboard's there. When he clicks on it, he gets a message saying the bid's been closed and he has won this bid as the maximum bidder at $115. You can also leave a comment, so that's the next part of the specification. For example, on this Xbox, you can write comments such as, I really want this Xbox. And the comments come up there. John can also add things, add listings to his watch list. So he can look at them later and keep track of the bidding. Also delete the things from his watch list, adding this carpet, and there's the watch list. If he deletes this car from his watch list, then it's no longer going to be there. The next part of the specification was this categories page, where the listings for each category organised here in this list. So, for example, when we click on home and garden, all the active listings show up here. Finally, as an admin, I can actually edit the models here. So, for example, I can delete that last comment that John made. I can get rid of this image, and I can look at all the different bids. Thank you. That was Project T.